Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the iPhone XR and removing the SIM tray so the chassis is free. This prevents shorts when you open it. Next, soften the display adhesive with an eye opener or heat gun. Moderate heat for 60-90 seconds makes prying safer. Use a suction cup at the bottom edge and a P2 pentalobe removed screws. Once loosened, insert a thin pick and carefully lift the screen to avoid flexing the display cables. Remember, you're protecting fragile connectors as you expose the internals. Once the display is slightly open, you remove the bracket over the display cables using a Y000 tri-point and small Phillips. Make sure you keep screws sorted by length. Then disconnect the battery to eliminate current flow, and disconnect the front sensor and dot projector flexes to free the Face ID assembly. Unscrew the small bracket holding the true depth module, lift it straight up to avoid bending pins, and swap in your replacement. Aligning the mating surfaces before reseating screws ensures proper contact. You reassemble by reconnecting the display flexes first and then the battery last. Press each connector flat until it clicks, and replace metal shields in the reverse order you removed them. Close the screen carefully, secure the bottom pentalobe screws, and boot the iPhone XR. Go to Settings to attempt Face ID enrollment so you can verify operation right away. If it fails, double-check connector seating and look for bent pins. If the hardware pairing is broken, you may need original module restoration or professional board-level repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.